Now covering third question of the day, it says if A, B and C are all non-zero and A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and prove that A square over BC plus B square over AC plus C square over AB is equal to 3. Now if this equation is given to us, that means we have one particular case of A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. That means this is given to us. Now let's solve what we need to prove. So we need to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So I would be solving left hand side first. So in this case I would be taking LCM of all these three numbers ABC. So if I need to make it ABC, I need to multiply it with A. So the first term will be A cube. The second term I need to multiply it with is B. So B cube plus the third term will be C. So C cube. Now A cube plus B cube plus C cube is written as 3ABC from this equation. And over the value ABC we can cut down ABC with ABC. So your final answer is 3. So now you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that's all for today. Thank you.